Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can exchange your coins inside of Coinbase to Solana, and then I'm going to show you how you can transfer that Solana directly into your Phantom wallet so you can go out there and purchase your first Solana-based NFTs. In this tutorial, it's going to be real simple, real sweet, real short. You can pause, you can hit play as you continue to go through it. And it's just going to be a simple one that I've added here. I think it's a good one. Also, I'm going to help you from being charged or overly charged with transfer fees inside of Coinbase. I'm not showing you my Coinbase Pro account. I'm just showing you how you could simply do it from the basic Coinbase account. And if you don't have an account, you could use one of our links inside of our secretnftgroup.com. And that's if you found us. And by the way, if you're completely new to NFTs, you can go to the beginning of this series. This is a free series of NFT trainings that'll get you in the right track. It'll help you avoid scams and pitfalls, and that's our main goal. On top of that, below this, you should see a link that will take you to our Discord channel, totally free to join, including a very cool and very nice report that I put together with links and everything in one nifty place to find it all. All right, so before we get started, one last thing. If you've enjoyed the content so far and you've been on this journey with us, be sure to like, follow, and hit that notification bell. Chime in the comment section if this has been helpful for you. And on top of that, share this with somebody you love or somebody you know, or share it socially. You can easily just take the link from the YouTube channel and share it on your Facebook page and your Twitter page. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. I'm basically going to show you from Coinbase how to convert some of your coins into something else. I'm going to check to see what's going to be lower cost, but I want to change this to Solana. Whoops. So Solana and convert all. So it's telling me how much Solana I'm going to get. Coinbase doesn't charge any fee, but they do want to charge me one. And to me, that's not going to be worth it, okay? Because that one cost is $34. I'm not going to pay that. So what I might want to do is try to sell Cosmos for either cash or for cash. And if I go sell all, price, so their fee is going to be $3. It's much lower than the $34 that they were going to try to charge me. So let's hit sell now. Okay, so now that's in cash, and I'm going to want to go to what I want to do is buy, and I'm going to buy Solana. And we're going to do with cash. And so it says right there, you can buy up to 206.4, right? 206.04. And I'm going to buy now. Okay, so I ended up getting a little bit more. So my value is 203. They had to charge the fee, so it cost me about little over $6 to get this versus $33 or $34 that was there. Okay, so I'm gonna hit buy now. Okay, that's set up. And it says I have a connection issue. I don't know what the deal is with that. Okay, so we've just logged into the Phantom wallet, and by the way, this works the same way with MetaMask, basically the same thing, but I'm going to be doing a minting today, so I want to make sure that I have enough, which I currently don't. So I'm going to receive, and I'm going to receive Solana, and I'm going to blur that out, but copy this, close. I'm going to go to send and receive. I'm going to do send. I'm going to change the wallet here to Solana. Send all. Put in my wallet. And then I'm going to hit continue. Okay, it's recognized, everything looks good. There is a Coinbase fee of 0, and there's a network fee of like sub pennies basically. So I'm going to hit send now. Okay, it's going to ask me for my two-step verification authentication, which is going to be using your authenticator, and right now it's 775758. The authenticator changes every, I don't know, 15 seconds or so. So you want to be quick. And that should be it. Transaction should be sent. And then I can go into my wallet and see if it's in there yet. Might take a minute or two, but it's already there. So you can see it's already added. I can look directly at how much is in there. And now I can go into Mint, and hopefully I'll be able to make another video on that part as well.